Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, how to start an e-commerce business. In the age of digital revolution, e-commerce businesses have proven to be a lucrative venture. In fact, in 2022, e-commerce sales globally reached a whopping 4.89 trillion US dollars. Let's delve into the steps you need to start your own e-commerce journey. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. The first step is to find a business idea. It might seem challenging, but remember, successful business ideas often solve a problem or fulfill a need. Look around you, and inspiration might strike from the most unexpected sources. Next, carry out market research. This involves understanding your target audience, the competition, and the potential demand for your product. You'd be surprised to know that 32% of startups fail because there's no market need for their product. Now, it's time to create a business plan. This plan should detail your strategies for marketing, operations, finance, and most importantly, your unique selling proposition. Fourth, set up your business. Here's where our organization comes in. All you need to do is visit legalregistration.com. We provide a one-stop solution to take care of all your business licensing and registration steps. Our experts understand how complicated legal paperwork can be, so we take that burden off your shoulders. Then, the next step is to create your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform that suits your needs and design a user-friendly website. Include high-quality product images, detailed descriptions, and make sure the checkout process is as smooth as possible. Next, market your products. Utilize social media, email marketing, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising to reach your target audience. Did you know, in 2021, the average return on investment for email marketing was a massive 4,200%. Lastly, analyze and adjust. As you go, collect data, track key metrics, and make adjustments to improve. Remember, e-commerce is a dynamic field, so always be ready to evolve with the trends. If you need help setting up your new business, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there a specific one that seems difficult? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.